It's just me and you.
So the first step into creating this peeling mask makeup look or lifting mask up, you want to take a nude or white pencil of your choice just to outline the foundation of the mask. Now this is just going to be a look where it's an illusion of me wearing a mask, but it's all makeup. So I'm just going to use this and mark where I think would look the best as I'm lifting up the mask. And I did make it a bit curvy just because I want to have that illusion like it's wrinkling, sort of, you know, like when you're lifting up something. And basically at the hairline, just from one end to the other, I'm just making a line so it looks like an actual shape of a mask. So let's go ahead and jump over to the left side of the face. The left side of the face, which is outside of the mask, is going to be a regular beauty look. And on the other side, which is underneath the mask, is going to be my bare face. I know, so scary, which is perfect for Halloween. You can basically choose any type of makeup for this look. I'm actually thinking about recreating this look with maybe like a dead zombie underneath. So I'm not too sure, but I have so many ideas I would like to film because there's so many days in the month of October and I'm just trying to film as many Halloween looks as I can for you guys. So I'm actually unsure why I decided to prime both eyes while just one eye is going to be wearing makeup. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get through this makeup so that way we can get to the mask part. So now this is going to be fun yet very tedious. So I'm actually taking the same transition shade that I used on my left eye. It just may look a bit darker because I'm using more of a dense brush. I decided to use a smudger brush because it's pretty dense. So I'm going to have control of where I'm placing the shadow. And I'm just basically going to outline all the nude marks that I did on my face. Next, I'm going to create another line in between the two lines that I originally marked on my face. Now this is going to be like a wrinkle mark. You know when you lift up a mask and it kind of wrinkles or ripples a little bit? So I'm kind of making it like a little swirly, like a slanted rounded line. And I'm not going to make too long of a tail because you just kind of want like a wrinkled look. So it's kind of hard to explain, but once we add the other colors and smudge it out, you kind of see the illusion of a mask. Now I'm going to take a flat liner brush and taking a matte chestnut kind of rich brown, and I'm just going to basically outline where I applied the first transition shade so it has a little dimension. And don't worry about the nude part, I'm going to make it more pronounced after I'm done with this. I have to be honest, this is my first time creating this look. I had lots of fun. It just takes a lot of time and the detailing just to perfect it. I mean, practice makes perfect, like I always say. And I normally don't do Halloween looks, it's more beauty tutorials, but I'm actually having fun this year. I just want to kind of make sure I don't forget my creative side and just try to film as many fun and different types of looks as I can. So after we're done with the dark part, we can go ahead and smudge out where is needed. You can always add more or less to the looks. I probably say this all the time, but there's no right or wrong way. Just go ahead and be creative. Let's uplift each other because we need more positivity in the world. So I'm actually going to go back to that nude pencil and just outlining the outside part. This is going to give more of a pop and contrast. So you'll see in the next few frames where I'm starting to pose and hold still, it actually looks like I'm wearing a mask or lifting up a mask. And that is it for my peeling mask makeup look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
It's just me and you.